Hello, in this session we'll see first order partial derivation of composite function, problem number 5. So the question is as such. So it is clear that u is a function with the variable input y minus x by xy and z minus x by zx. So we have to show that x square of dou u by dou x plus y square of dou u by dou y plus z square of dou u of dou z is equal to 0. So let us start with introducing two new variables and let us say let v be equal to y minus x by xy. So the partial fraction says that it can be written as 1 by x minus 1 by y. Similarly, let us take w be z minus x by zx. So this can be written as 1 by x minus 1 by z. So we are introducing two new variable inputs and that is what the function depends on. So now you can say that u will be equal to u of v and w. So u has a variables v and w where v and w both depend on either x, y or x, z. Now finding the first order derivative dou u by dou x, this will become dou u by dou v and dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou w times of dou w by dou x, and this comes from chain rule. And we can see that u, which is function of v and w are function of xy and xz. So we can also see that dou v by dou x will be partial differentiation of v with respect to x. So that means y will be taken as constant and this will become minus 1 by x square. Similarly, dou w by dou x will be the partial differential of 1 by x minus 1 by z. So we'll be treating z as a constant and this will come again as minus 1 by x square. Now substituting this value, we will get dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou v times of minus 1 by x square plus dou u by dou w times of minus 1 by x square, which gives, taking x square on the other side, x square times of dou u by dou x is equal to minus of dou u by dou v minus of dou u by dou w. So let us take it as equation 1. Now finding the partial derivative of u with respect to y, we will have dou u by dou y equal to dou u by dou v times of dou v by dou y plus dou u by dou w times of dou w by dou y. And we know that v is a function of 1 by x minus 1 by y, whereas w has nothing in terms of y, which means dou v by dou y will be equal to minus of minus 1 by y square, which is equal to 1 by y square, and dou w by dou y will become 0 because it has no variable of z. It has no variable of y. So continuing this, we will have dou u by dou v times of 1 by y square plus dou u by dou w times of 0, which means dou u by dou y will be dou u by dou v 1 by y square, and taking y square on the other side, we will have y square times of dou u by dou y equal to dou u by dou v. and let us take as equation 2. Now the partial derivative of the function u with respect to z, dou u by dou z, again with the help of chain rule we can see that this will be dou u by dou v times of dou v by dou z plus dou u by dou w times of dou w by dou z. Again this is from chain rule. And again we can see that u, which is function of v and w, so v is a function of x and y and it has nothing in terms of z. That means dou v by dou z will become 0. And secondly, w, which is 1 by x minus 1 by z, the dou w by dou z will become minus of minus 1 by z square, which will be, so putting this, we will have dou u by dou z equal to dou u by dou v times of 0 plus dou u by dou w times of 1 by z square. So this is z square times of dou u by dou z equal to dou u by dou w. And let us take this as third equation. So now we have got three equations which has terms of the terms given in the equation of the on the left hand side. Now we can simply add first, third and second equation. So adding 1, 2 and 3, we will have x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z equal to dou u by dou v minus dou u by dou w, and plus, this is coming from the first term, plus dou u by dou v coming from the second equation, plus dou u by dou w. So we can see things will get cancelled, and that is du by dv and du by dv, du by dw and du by dw. So that means this will become simply 0. So this means the result is x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z is equal to 0. And this is what we had to verify. So LHS becomes RHS and hence it is verified. Thank you.